Here's where I get some exercise. I'm too old to do this anymore. That's what I keep saying. Anyway. I don't know. Could be an excuse. It does give you a workout though. Pumped up. What's this? Oh. See what I mean? I looked at this the other day, I felt like it was low compression. Let's see. Make sure we got it on the outside of the pole. Alright. See if we get it coming out that side. I'm gonna have you guys view my eyeballs because I can't really. I guess I can go like this, yeah. Okay, I'm looking right there on the pump, see if and it comes out of there. Oh yeah. Okay. So now what? Huh. Maybe we got a stuck float. Okay. I wonder if it's pumping. Let's see if it pumps. Yeah, it's pumping. Okay. Although not a lot, but it's pumping. See if we hear it going to the carb. Guess the only way to know is to open our little bolt down there. And this whole thing is kind of in the way, man. You know, this little guy way down here. I'll try. See if I can get it open. See if we got anything going through there. And then on the timing, it's pretty far wide open. So you might want to go just back to neutral. Or about right there. But I can't do it and hold the camera. Let me get a tripod. Chucky's in the back room jamming, so that's what that noise is if you hear it. I suspect this is the problem right here. He's only got it going where it's like to there. there's only so much pulling you can do. So one thing is like this is obviously broken. So we don't know what we're doing here. I mean, it's really not doing anything. So this wasn't something I did. I think we got to figure out, first of all, if it's got fire, if it's got, yeah, if it's got compression. So I'll just take the top off, take the plugs out, hook it up to a gauge, and then if it isn't good, it isn't good. So we'll just figure it out as we go. Man, I got a compression tester right here. I don't know if this will work or not, but I've got my electric drill. We can see I got the top off. We can disconnect the fuel, so I know it's pumping. Unless that pump is all wrong. I don't think so though. There's an arrow on them, and they like to be in that direction. Anyway, let's see. I want to see if I got any spark. So I get this tester, which is back there. You're gonna be able to see that. But I can stand on the back side, I guess. You know, maybe at least get a compression test and make sure we're going the right way. No. I don't know if it'll do right. Oops. Like I said, I don't know if this one it'll work. I may have to go get my other drill out. What's going on here? I ain't got my other drill. Because, yeah, it won't work. I don't like doing this. That's another reason why I want to stop working on these, I think. Just because you gotta. It's not really easy to do. Where we at? Alright. It's below 90. So, you know, we're looking for 120. Really. So that one's a low compression motor. Yeah, it's got to have at least, you know, like I said, 120. I think that's might be the lowest I've ever seen one. If I remember right, this one was kind of low before. I mean, I'm not saying for sure, but it seems like it was low before too. And I was like, yeah, but it runs, you know. That's why it won't really pop off. I can't get on the right side of this. Chuck's in there jamming, man. I want to get a copyright strike. We have to edit the soundtrack down. Well, so it's really hard to get in this bottom one. If I remember right, that's another thing about these little old motors. They have another gauge, but I think there's something like because it's a Mercury, and it's not really made for that either. Just want to make sure when you go in, you're going in right. So if that was 90, you know, the other thing like I can do now is I'll get out my my thing where I can look inside. Borescope, whatever, can't talk. Anyway, let's see what happens. We got 90, you know that ain't good. It's really about 88. Alright. Oh yeah, this one's even really dead. See? It's not even at 40. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah. You know, she's dead. So I guess we can, then we can, you know, like for kicks, I'll get out my, scope and look down in there. I don't know if it had spark because the way you gotta do this, you almost have to have, like, I'll do that. I'll take this off and then try to get the camera over here where then I can even look back and see if it had spark. I think it has spark though. I checked the spark plugs. The spark plugs they do have spark, but we can, anyway, see if I can't get this up in the air where we can see it. Now, like maybe over here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this real quick and see if we see any spark. Yeah, I think I see it from here even. Oh yeah, I see it. It's got a good spark. It just has no compression. Could be a head gasket. I mean, I doubt it. 88 and 30. That's not a good combination.